from Louisville. Morris, as she said, actually the first recorded payment to a Morris team was in 1445. So it goes back, and they were complaining about having to pay them back then. We don't know that what we're doing is the same, but there was something called Morris back then. We like to pretend that our tradition goes back a few centuries. So we're going to start out with a dance called When the King Enjoys His Own, from the town of Bloodington, which is just up northwest of London, I'm sure, just up the A440, I'm sure you know where that is. So, Angleterre, When the King Enjoys His Own.